Italy's got it all: ancient wonders, world-class art, and coastlines that belong on postcards. But it's not just about the past. Italy's transport game is next level, with sleek high-speed trains like the Frecciarossa zipping across the country. And now, there's a new player on the tracks. The latest high-speed train is here, promising to take Italy's rail system to even greater heights. What's the buzz all about? Let's dive in. This is great Trainspeed. Italy's transport system is seriously well put together, and the railways are the star of the show. You've got an extensive network, 10,391 miles of track, especially dense up north, so hopping between cities is usually faster and calmer than driving. The high-speed lines stitch the country together from Naples up through Rome and Florence to Milan and Turin, turning what used to be long hauls into easy city center to city center trips. A fun bit of history. The Florence-Rome high-speed line was Europe's first, with more than half of it opening way back in 1977. That early head start helped set the tone for modern Italian rail travel, fast, frequent, and built for everyday use, not just big occasions. Today, Italy ranks 13th in the world by network size, which is impressive for a country of its size. Behind the scenes, it's a clean split of responsibilities. The trains themselves are operated by Italian state railways, while RFI manages the tracks and infrastructure. And now, Italy's stepping things up again, rolling out a brand new generation of high-speed trains. Sleeker, faster, and built for comfort, these trains are set to redefine long-distance travel across the country. Want to see what's new on board? Stick around, because in the next part of Great Trainspeed, we're taking a closer look at what makes this upgrade so exciting. Let's talk like we're on the platform together. Trenitalia, part of FS Group, just rolled out the next-gen Frecciarossa 1000 with a preview run on the Rome-Naples high-speed line ahead of the official launch on September 28th. This isn't a one-off. It's the first wave in a €1.3 billion plan for 46 brand new high-speed train sets, arriving at roughly 10 per year through 2029 under the 2025 to 2029 strategic plan to refresh the fleet and deliver cleaner, more reliable service. Built by Hitachi Rail in Pistoia and Naples, the train is set for Italy and beyond. It's ready for 7 European networks: France, Spain, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Belgium, thanks to multi-system equipment and European signaling that make cross-border runs feel routine. One platform, many frontiers. Now, quickly compare with Spain. Spain goes wide. AVE spreads high speed across the map, reaching lots of secondary cities. Italy goes deep. Fewer corridors, but they're dense, frequent, and laser-focused on the Turin, Milan, Bologna, Florence, Rome, Naples spine, now pushing further south. Think Spain equals coverage, Italy equals cadence, 2 strategies, same goal. On the hardware, Talgo's S106 is the flexibility champ. Extra wide cars for 3+2 seating when capacity is the priority, plus gauge and voltage switching to glide across networks. The new Frecciarossa 1000 leans into refined speed and passenger experience. Distributed traction for quick, smooth acceleration. A quiet ride. Specs? They deliver. Certified up to 223 miles per hour, operating up to 186 miles per hour daily. A new traction system boosts efficiency and energy management. The brains are all Ethernet at the control layer, about 100 megabits per second, and tied to an energy measurement system that sends certified consumption data for accurate billing. And onboard connectivity finally matches the speed. Trenitalia says Wi-Fi and multimedia capacity have jumped tenfold, providing 5G Wi-Fi that works across 4 telecom networks. If you'd like to learn more, please stay. We'll dive into the interior, classes, and amenities next. For the design, think bold, modern Italian design, a red and silver livery that looks fast, even standing still. The sharply sculpted aerodynamic nose and angled LED headlights give it a laser-focused, high-performance vibe. A sweeping silver band runs the length of the carbody, amplifying the sense of motion. Up front, the FS crest anchors it in the National Rail family, Whether on the shop floor or at the platform of a high-speed line, it reads as precision engineering ready to roll. Giugiaro Design reworks the cabin in warm tones with leather and wood accents, clean, distinctly Italian. Executive class grows roomier, with lounge-style seats, tall backs, wide armrests, integrated controls, and generous legroom in a face-to-face layout. Soft, even lighting and large windows keep the space bright and calm. A new galley speeds up service quality and turnaround. In Standard, you still get 300 seats, now with 8 extra luggage racks and larger overhead lockers to increase total capacity. As Gianpiero Strisciuglio puts it, we've worked to improve every detail. More welcoming interiors, more luggage space, and advanced onboard technological services. The goal is to meet the needs of changing mobility in Italy and soon in Europe. The next generation takes a clear step forward in both sustainability and performance. Its recyclability rate now reaches 97.1%, with a material recovery rate of 98.2%, both marking notable gains over the previous fleet. The air conditioning system has been redesigned to reduce its global warming potential by 56%, while energy-efficient traction motors help cut overall power consumption. According to Trenitalia, this is also the first high-speed train in the world to receive an environmental product declaration based on a full life cycle assessment, confirming its environmental impact across every stage of operation. While the train keeps its unmistakable Frecciarossa 1000 silhouette and signature red and silver livery, the interior has been fully refreshed. Giugiaro Design combines Italian craftsmanship with modern engineering, using high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and softer lighting to create a more welcoming atmosphere. Digital platforms now play a bigger role, managing travel information and onboard connectivity in real time. The result is a space that feels both elegant and efficient, a natural evolution of Trenitalia's Made in Italy design ethos. With 36 train sets currently on order and an option for 10 more, the new Frecciarossa 1000 is set to become the backbone of Trenitalia's high-speed operations, both within Italy and across Europe's expanding rail corridors. It's a blend of sustainability, technology, and style, showing how modern Italian railways are pushing toward a faster, greener future. With all these upgrades, this new generation train seems poised to deliver a truly high-quality travel experience for passengers. But what do you think? Could this be the future of rail in Italy, and maybe even a glimpse of what high-speed travel will look like around the world? Drop 1 if you think it can, and 0 if you think differently. We'd love to hear your take. Passengers are buzzing. Many who rode Frecciarossa in Italy call it amazing, praising how fast, quiet, and comfortable it feels, with interiors that look as good as they ride. There's clear excitement about seeing that red arrow in Germany, too. Some can't wait to take a direct, no-change run, about 8 hours to Rome, swapping planes for a smooth rail journey and planning weekend getaways to the Eternal City. Others say they'll use the new connection often because flying was never their thing. The train offers a calmer, more scenic way to move. The common thread: excellent trains, impressive interiors, and genuine enthusiasm for a cross-border network that makes long trips feel easy. If this is a preview of Europe's next chapter in high-speed travel, riders are more than ready to board. After all, the new Frecciarossa 1000 isn't just a fresh coat of red, it's Italy's smoother, quieter, greener backbone for going fast every day. With real tech under the hood, a Giugiaro-polished interior, and the ability to roam across 7 countries, it's built for premium 300 km/h service that actually feels easy. Judging by the early buzz, this red arrow is ready to carry Italy's playbook across Europe, the future of rail firmly on track. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.